just show everyone what it sounds like, what every one of those presets sounds like, so you get an idea of what it can do. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another new episode of Quickie Plugin Reviews. And today I'm going to have a look at PitchMonster by Devious Machines. It's quite an interesting, mainly vocoding plugin, although it is capable of doing a lot of other stuff. There are different reviews out there, but instead of just doing the same thing, going over the main settings, which, to be honest, you can get out of reading the manual, what I thought I'd do is just go through the presets and just show everyone what it sounds like, what every one of those presets sounds like, so you get an idea of what it can do. Obviously, there's a lot of other possibilities, and again, if you go online, you'll find different videos showing you exactly what each button does and how to tweak it to get kind of the sound you have in your head and the sounds in those presets. But I just wanted to do an overview of the whole preset list so you can get a sense of what it's capable of. You won't see me on screen. It's just going to be the software doing its thing. The vocal line that I'm using is me singing. It's not the best performance, and I wouldn't necessarily call myself a singer, but it does the job. And it's me singing a song that I hope you'll recognize by Billie Eilish. So without further ado, let's jump into Reaper and see what PitchMonster is capable of. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, now on my own. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, now on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, now on. Like a lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, now on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when coming home, now on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, now on my own. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home. Now
lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you
when the party's over. On my own.
I could lie, say I
Like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer.
I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me
friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when
I'm coming home, I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. No, call you when the party's over.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Leave me closer. Now call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say call me friend, but keep me closer. Party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home.
I'm on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend.
I could lie, say I like it
like that, like it like that. Yeah, I say I like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. No, call you when the party's over.
I say I like it like that.
keep me closer. Now call you. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it. When the party's over. I'll call you when the party's over. Crying when I'm coming home, I on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. I'll call you when the party's over. Crying when I'm coming home, I on my own. And I could
Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. And but keep me closer. I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, night on my own. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep. I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, I on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer.
I'll call you when the party's over. Crying when I'm coming home, I on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer.
I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming. I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like that. Call me friend, but keep closer. I'll call you when the party's over. Quiet when I'm coming home, I on my own. And I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Yeah, I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that. Call me friend, but keep me closer. I'll call you when the party's over. I really love this plugin. Some of these presets sound amazing, and I can't wait to start using this in my own projects. I'm actually working on something now that will definitely benefit from using this. And I won this plugin on Twitter, which is amazing for me, but it's not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to throw that out there just because I was so excited by getting this beforehand. Then when I did get it, I used it. I just wanted to make a quick video to kind of share my enthusiasm. But thanks to Plugin Boutique for making this happen. Thanks a lot for watching the video until the end. I really do hope you got something out of it. And if you did enjoy it, if you did get any value out of it, please let me know in the comments below. And consider subscribing to the channel, share the video, like it, all that jazz. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks.